Welcome back to Tamara's garden. Today I will be sharing about growing Rangoon creeper. Here I have got some stems of Rangoon creeper. So last night only I got it from a friend of mine, and today I will be showing you how I'm going to put it in the pot and also give you some tips about growing this beautiful flowering plant Rangoon creeper. So today I will be using this aloe vera as an rooting hormone, and also I will show you how I'm going to put it in the pot. So stay tuned to my channel, watch until the end because I'll be covering up some tips as well about growing this beautiful Madumalti plant. So this is called as Madumalti as well. So stay tuned, friends. So here's the pot that I have selected. It is medium to large size pot. You can select a large size pot because this plant need ample space to grow. So my potty mix also ready. I have put garden soil 1/3, sand 1/3 and cocoa peat to balance the moisture of the soil. So, and I also advise you to add some turmeric into this so that will work as a fungicide, pesticide and protect the plant. We are going to put the new cuttings of the Madumalti, so we'll have to protect the roots. I have put these cuttings in this aloe vera pieces because they will work as rooting hormones for the Madumalti plant. So first thing is I have to cut all the bottom leaves and the top flowers as well in this stem. So after that only I am going to put it in the pot. Now friends, after cutting all the additional leaves and flowers in the stem, I am going to put these cuttings in the pot. So my soil mixture also ready. I have added a pinch of turmeric as well. So let's see after putting these stems in the soil mixture. So now this time I'm trying it with the aloe vera stem because this works as a rooting hormone. So I'm going to put it with the aloe vera gel. This one also I'm going to put like this. So now these new cuttings we have to keep in a shady area of your garden at a place where it is not touching the bright sunlight, so that you will have to keep in mind. So friends, when talking about sunlight to this plant is a sun-loving plant. You will have to give it a lot of sunlight. 6 to 8 hours of morning sunlight will be sufficient for the plant to grow and also to flower. So flowers will bloom once you keep it in such an area where they get bright sunlight for them to bloom. That you will have to keep in mind once the plant is growing. So this is the early stages of the plant. So you saw the process how to put cuttings in the soil of this Madumalti. Further details I'll be doing another video. So today is a rainy day and you can see the raindrops are falling, and also the noise of the rain is so heavy. So I will wind up for today and see you soon with an update of this Madumalti, and I will give you more tips and tricks of growing Madumalti plants. So that's it for today, friends. See you soon. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.